Alright, welcome to part 2 of the Select Seacons review. And next up we have Overbite. Yeah, so as I said in the intro, in Japan it's like the Seacons, it's like we're essentially all drones with no personalities. But in the West, like the UK and the United States, basically he has a personality where he's just a very like sneaky, violent guy, very vicious. It's like Hunter, but apparently he can control his bloodlust, and yeah, basically he enjoys it's like attacking oil tankers and then picking off it's like individual humans as they try to swim away. So yeah, very friendly character. Yeah, and the Decepticons. What do you expect? So anyway, let's get him looked here up. He comes with his weapons, including this sword. He has this huge rifle here. Oh man, these ports are tight. And you know, the new hand foot guns. So I put those aside. Yeah, so he's essentially a retool of Rippersnapper, sharing it's like a lot of the parts, but he has like a retooled head and these new retooled feet. And apparently, I'm assuming that he has like also the improved combiner port as well. So yeah, you come here and he has like opening mouth, the same arms. These new legs though, which are very short, they don't really pose as much. The feet are huge though, so it's like it does hold the weight properly. So there's that for you. Yeah. Nice color variances as well. You gotta love those late G1, G2 colors. Yeah. And let's get them transformed. So yeah, here's that port and like that port, which I'm assuming has been strengthened. Yeah. That much like Rippersnapper. Oh wait, this one here you have to pop open first in order to get the. Oh boy. Come on. There we go. You gotta love interesting new retools. They do stuff like that. Peg into there. Okay, we'll worry about that later. So the feet do peg it. There we go. That one pegged in. That's your turn. And there. Oh well, you get the idea. Let's take it apart. Yeah, same hand things going on as Rippersnapper. And then it's like you just fold this in. And that's supposed to. Oh wait. This one has a new double hinge. You fold on like so. And there you go. And there you have Overbites. And yeah, these new colors though, it's like, yeah, he still maintains the opening chest so you can peg that in. But yeah, everything else though, it's like new colors. Again, different legs and the different head part. Yeah. So yeah, he's got his weapons here, including this big gun, which I might have. Yeah, big rifle, and you have this sword, and then like again you have the new huge hand foot gun. Just pop out the peg there, and yeah, you can basically peg that on the top of the head. Hold on. Okay, well, it's not. It unpegged, but at least it's staying in place, so that's where. So yeah, nice big sword and arguably the biggest rifle outside of Hunger. Yeah, fun figure overall. Colors are very vibrant on him as well. So yeah, this here is Overbite. He's like one of the two members. It's like that share the same name. It's like on both in both versions. So yeah, there's Overbite for you. And yeah, stay tuned for the rest of the Seacons. Alright, later.